Pains of a growing old OFW. Growing old is not painful because of aching backs, weakness, or the strands of gray hair that slowly appear. The deepest pain comes from remembering how you spent your life far away from home, enduring loneliness, exhaustion, and homesickness so your children would never have to experience the hardships you once knew, just only to find yourself forgotten when your hair turned gray and your strength is no longer the same. While other parents were holding their children close during their birthdays and even Christmas celebrations, UOFW held on to photographs and memories, wiping away silent tears in a foreign land. There were many nights when you wanted to give up, but the thought of your dreams gave you the strength to keep going. You sacrifice moments that you cannot get back. The first milestones, the graduations of your children, and the countless days when you needed the most because you believe that one day you would understand how deeply they love you. And now that your hands tremble with age and your eyes have grown weary, you are not asking for wealth or repayment for all that you have given to them, but you only pray that you'll never be forgotten by your loving children. For nothing breaks a parent's heart more than spending a lifetime building a future for their children, only to grow old with tears in their eyes, waiting for a phone call, a visit, or just a simple words. Dad, Ma, we love and miss you so much. This is a real talk.